Scrapbooking and crafting can get expensive, and there is nothing worse than buying a cutting die that tears your paper or bends after one use. I've been there and it's frustrating. So I picked up the top 5 trending cutting dies, including some for fabric, and actually ran them through my machine. I wanted to see which ones give that perfect, crisp edge and which ones are just a waste of metal. Here is what I found. Product number 1, the Carbon Steel Creator. Starting with the first set, I noticed right away how solid these felt in my hand. They're made of carbon steel, which is great because flimsy dies tend to warp, but these held their shape perfectly. When I ran this through my die cutter, I was looking specifically at the edges. A lot of cheaper dies leave these annoying little fuzzy bits of paper hanging off, but this one gave me a super clean release. It's sized at about 2 by 6 inches, which I found perfect for standard card fronts. I tried layering the circles to get that 3D pop on a graduation card I was working on, and everything lined up without me having to wrestle with it. It's fantastic if you want to create those intricate shaker cards or just need reliable shapes for scrapbooking. It's a solid, multifunctional workhorse that handles cardstock easily. Product number 2, the Versatile Stencil Set. Then I moved on to this high carbon steel set. The main thing I wanted to test here was versatility. The description claimed it could handle tougher materials, so I didn't just stick to standard printer paper. I tried it on chipboard and even some metallic foil. Honestly, I was surprised it cut through the chipboard without me having to shim it a dozen times. Aside from just cutting, I actually used the negative space as a stencil for some ink blending, and it worked great. The texture of the steel is nice and rigid. If you're making holiday cards where you need to bulk produce a bunch of unique shapes quickly for friends and family, this stands up to the pressure. It feels durable enough to be a staple in your collection for years, rather than just a tool you use once for Christmas. Product number 3, the Layering Specialist. This next set is very similar in build quality to the previous one, utilizing that same high carbon steel, but I found myself reaching for this one specifically for layering. I love adding dimension to my projects, and these dies seem designed to stack up perfectly to create that 3D effect. I spent an afternoon making cards with my niece using these, and it was super safe and easy for us to handle together. It works with most major die cutting machines. I tested it on 2 different brands and it fit through the rollers smoothly on both. The precision is the standout here. When I cropped photos for a layout, it framed them exactly where I wanted. If you are into making complex multi-layered cards or preserving memories with precise photo mats, this set is a really smart, creative pick. Product number 4, a Quilt Geo Fabric Cutter. Now switching gears to fabric. If you're a quilter, you know the pain of rotary cutting hundreds of shapes by hand. I picked up this Quilt Geo die and man, it saves so much time. They say it's 90% easier than traditional cutting, and after using it, I believe it. I ran some high-quality cotton through it, and the biggest win was that the fabric didn't stretch out. Usually when you pull fabric through a cutter, it warps the shape, but this kept the grain orientation true. I did a test cut first just to be safe, which I definitely recommend doing, but once I got it dialed in, it was smooth sailing. It comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty, which gives me peace of mind. If you do any applique or quilting, this is going to save your wrists and your patience. Product number 5, a Quilt Precision Die. Finally, I tested another specific shape from the Quilt line. Since I was already impressed with the fabric handling of the last one, I wanted to see if the precision held up on different patterns. It offers that same effortless cutting experience. I honestly felt like I was cheating because I could cut multiple layers at once without losing any accuracy. The build quality is consistent. It's solid and feels like it's built to last in a sewing room environment. Again, make sure you use good quality fabric to get the best results, but even with scraps, it performed well. It essentially takes the math and the measuring out of the equation. If you are tired of inconsistent squares or mismatched corners in your quilt blocks, this tool basically fixes that problem for you instantly. So whether you are scrapbooking a family album or quilting a masterpiece, there is definitely a die here that fits your needs. I've left links to all 5 of these in the description below so you can check the current prices and grab the one that works for you. Thanks for hanging out with me, and happy crafting.